friends and students, welcome to my channel Easy Learning Class. Today my topic is estimation of single room building by long wall and short wall method. Here question is given. In question, estimate the single room building by long wall and short wall method as per guidance of given figure. Here figure is given. Internal dimension is 5 meter by 4 meter and wall width of wall thickness is given 0.3 meter, means from here to here this is wall width is 0.3 meter, and here also wall width from 0.3 meter from here to here. So here works are given. From figure we can understand work calculated by us. Which work we have to calculate? We can calculate from this figure. So in this figure there is here, this is plain cement concrete, this is first footing, this is second footing, this is plinth level, and this is wall. So up to here to this plinth level, this is plinth level to ground, this is substructure, and from plinth level, above plinth level to wall, this is superstructure, and this is from ground level to plinth level, this is plinth height. Now width of plain cement concrete is 1 meter, height is 0.3 meter, first footing width is 0.8 meter, height 0.3 meter, second footing width is 0.6 meter, height is 0.3 meter, plinth level width is 0.4 meter and height is 0.6 meter, and for wall width or breadth is 3.5 meter. This is 0.3 meter and height is 3.5 meter. Height is 3.5 meter and width is 0.3 meter. So here we are going directly to calculate this problem. Here out to out length of long wall. Here out to out means from here to here. This is long wall, this is long wall, this is short wall, this is short wall. So out to out length of long wall is 5 plus this 0.3 and this 0.3. 0.3 plus 0.3 is equal to 5.6 meter. Into in length of short wall is equal to 4 meter, because from here to here only 4 meter. In this method their center line is not taken. Without center line we can solve this problem. So here need half projection is important. So what is the half projection? The half projection equals to width of item minus width above plinth level divided by 2. So width of item means on which item we are going to calculate, that's item's width minus width above plinth levels, means width of wall 0.3 meter, above plinth level is wall, divided by 2. So total length of item is equal to total length of long wall is equal to out length plus 2 into half projection, and total length of short wall is equals to in length minus 2 into half projection. So from this formula we are going to calculation. For calculate, here we have to make this table: serial number, description of item, numbers, length, breadth, height, all are given in meter, so quantity becomes in meter cube or cubic meter. Here is explanation. So first work, 1 excavation in foundation for long wall and short wall. So long wall is 2 and short wall is also 2. So here breadth is 1 meter, up to this width only we have to dig this land, and height is 0.9 from ground level to here, 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 altogether becomes 0.9 meter is the height. Now for calculate this length, here first of all we have to calculate half projection. We have formula, width of item. Here width is width of this earthwork up to 1 meter width. So 1 minus width above plinth level is 0.3. So 1 minus 0.3 divided by 2 equals to 0.35. So for total length of long wall, here yellow is equal to 5.6. 5.6 is out to out length plus 2 into half projection is 0.35. So this equals becomes 6.3. And for short wall, into in length is 4 meter minus 2 into half projection is 0.35. So after calculation of this length becomes 3.3 meter. Similarly, for PCC work, in foundation long wall and short wall, number is 2 and 2. Here width is also same, height is only different, height is only 0.3 meter. Here is only 0.3 meter for PCC work, 0.3 and 0.3. Here width is, here breadth is same. So from same formula, from breadth minus half projection, so half projection of this PCC work is also same as excavation and foundation works. So length becomes same, 6.3 and 3.3. So this quantity becomes long wall 3.78, short wall quantity 1.98, altogether becomes 5.76 meter cube quantity of PCC. Now in 3 number, brick work in foundation, first footing, long wall and short wall. For first footing, their number of wall is 2, long wall is 2, width is 0.8 for first footing and height is 0.3. And here half projection becomes width of item. Here item is first footing, so width means breadth of item is 0.8 minus here width above plinth level. Width above plinth level is already 0.3. So 0.8 minus 0.3 divided by 2 is equal to 0.25. Here total length of long wall is equal to 5.6 plus 2 into this half projection 0.25, and length for short wall is equal to into in length is 4 minus 2 into half projection 0.25. So this long wall length becomes 6.1 meter and short wall length becomes 3.5 meter. After multiplying these all quantity, we get 2.928, and for short wall we get 1.68. altogether after adding these two quantity we get 4.608 quantity of first footing in cubic meter cube already given. For second footing also, long wall and short wall, here work is same, only here width is different. Width becomes after increasing from ground level to from upside, the width or breadth is decreasing. So here is breadth is 0.6 meter. So half projection formula is breadth minus breadth above plinth level. Here breadth is 0.6 meter minus 0.3. So here half projection becomes 0.15. So for long wall 5.6 plus 2 into half projection, and for short wall into in length minus 2 into half projection is 0.15. So this length becomes 5.9 meter, and for length for total length for short wall becomes 3.7. So from this we got calculity, we get this quantity for second footing. For long wall is 2.124 and for short wall 1.332. Total quantity of second footing is 3.456 cubic meter. Similarly, plinth, long wall and short wall, both are 2 long wall, 2 short wall. Here width is 0.4, plinth 0.4 width, that's why 0.4, height is 0.6. Here horizontal half projection is width 0.4 minus 0.3 divided by 2, half projection becomes 0.05. So total length is equal to 5.6 plus 2 into half projection. Short length is equal to 4.4 minus 2 into half projection 0.05. So this length of plinth, long wall length becomes 5.7 and short wall length becomes 3.9. So multiplying this quantity we get 2.736 for long wall and 1.872 for short wall, altogether 4.608 meter cube quantity of plinth. means volume of plinth. Last, in 4 number, here is brickwork in superstructure. In superstructure, long wall and short wall. Long wall is 2. Here width is, or breadth is 0.3 meter, height is 3.5 meter already given. Height from here to here 3.5, and width, wall of width is 0.3 meter. And here half projection is equal to here 0.3 is this wall, also height minus 0.3 is height above plinth level is only wall, so 0.3 minus 0.3 divided by 2 becomes 0 equals to 0. So L is equal to here half projection is not subtracted and added in this superstructure wall, because this is final less breadth of wall in this structure. So here length becomes same, out to out length 5.6 and into in length is 4.0. so multiplying all this quantity for long wall becomes 11.76 and short wall becomes 8.4. after adding both quantity long wall and short wall, we got total quantity of brick work in superstructure is 20.16. So guys, if you understand this topic, then like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.